Okay, welcome back. So you have found an open house to hold. It's time to prepare for that specific open house. Let's walk through the specifics. First up, you got to go preview the listing if it's not your listing. And either brief the seller if it is your listing, or make sure you give feedback to the listing agent should it need any staging or cleaning or tips on just getting it super ready for the open house. By the way, we have a document in the downloads that is designed for you to customize and give to sellers that say tips on staging your home for a successful open house. You'll want to run the comps and prepare your market analysis just so you can get a feel for the pricing, and you need to be able to do this so that you can answer questions about other properties that are on the market. So you don't want to look silly, right? You're at an open house and somebody says, well, what about the house across the street or down the street or on the next block? You need to be able to go, yeah, I went ahead and took a look at that property and here's what I know about that and here's how this compares. And so you need to be able to talk about the inventory. So when you go to look at the listing, if it's not yours, preview the other available listings. That's the competition for your subject property. Drive the neighborhood, scout out all the best places to put your signs and your route. This is all part of the preparation. Next, create an information packet if you want to give something to your visitors. It could include things that you can get through tax records and third-party services like a property profile, maybe through a title company, for example. Maybe it's got a plat mapper, demographics, school information, nearby businesses, amenities. You get the idea. The property, it could just be your property feature sheet. Anything that you want to be able to have that has your contact information on it. Talk to your local lender who can support you. A great lender can work with you from actually attending an open house if it's going to be a popular open house, or you can go to that route. But honestly, just connect with a lender about, can they provide any support, any additional materials, anything to hand out about types of programs that are available. A lot of lenders can do a flyer for you that would break down that subject property and give them various scenarios for conventional, VA, FHA financing if it works for FHA. All right, so get some of that collateral material, do your homework, know what's happening in the area, and do that drive-by, go check out the houses. Then you can create your open house invitation flyer. So now you can couple that with going around and dropping that off and inviting people, knocking on people's doors and inviting them to your open house, right? That you'll be able to do that as part of the promotion here coming up. So to drop something off, you got to create something. So you can sometimes get third-party vendors, and we have a resource list in the downloads for you where you can get some of these materials. Check with vendors, check with your company. I've seen home warranty companies provide door hangers where you can put your card and write in when the open house is. You can create postcards, invitations, you get the idea. And then finally, on your preparation materials, if you're using the Open House Information Center, those presentation boards, then you need to go ahead and update those and run those lists of properties so that you can put them into those document protectors or post them to your boards. Remember, you're not listing all these other properties so that people are going to want to take them, by the way. So that's why I like the document protectors. You're wanting to just draw people over to talk to you. So you want them up there. I'm telling you, the photos, images is what's going to draw people over, and that you'll then have a conversation with. So just put them up there. They're not available. If somebody wants that list of properties, this is a great opportunity for you to say, you know what, I'll be happy to provide that for you. You talk to them a little bit more, then you get their contact information. You can send it to them later, right? So whatever else you want for those boards, community information maps, that's part of your preparation. All right, that's it for this quick lesson. Join me in the next one where we're going to talk about conducting the open house. Now you're ready to go do an effective open house. So see you in a minute.